na-inlove ako dun sa rendition nila ng kanta. So, that's one of the things you guys have to watch out for. Siyempre si Kim. Kakalimutan pa natin si Kim.
So, syempre alam naman natin si Kim na nagbago ng concert. Then ikaw, so may pressure sa
No, it's not coming from Kim's concert to me. Hindi naman po, wala naman po. We're here to enjoy, we're here to have fun, and at the same time, it's a way of me giving back to the years of support na binigay sa akin ng lahat ng manonood dito. At diba, it's a chance for them to see me on stage. Bihira lang talaga eh, bihira lang.
Thank you.
Mabuhay ang Team Chinoy.
Uy! Team Chinoy, ano pa ba yung isa?
Team Tisoy.
Paano pareho ka?
Chingay.
Okay, our next question will come from Kathleen Lavapi from Star Cinema Daw.
Yes, hi Sian. Congrats on your concert. Ang tanong ko lang, na-try mo na ba mag-freestyle ng rap?
Hindi pa. I never tried. Hindi pa. That's something na maganda. Dapat marami kang facts na alam dyan. Mabilis ka talaga dyan eh. Next time.
Sige, anyway, may tanong ako pero hindi siya about sa concert niya. So, kitang-kita naman sa ASAP na okay kayo ni Gerald, di ba? So, kung tatanungin ka, okay lang ba sa'yo kung Kim will be partnered again with ni Gerald?
Of course. Oo naman. No hesitations, no doubts about it. Dahil ano naman eh, there's no problem, di ba? Like, we're here to cater to our fans. We're here to cater sa mga manonood sa amin. And we just want to give them the best story possible. Yun lang talaga. Basta galing sa puso yung storya para sa amin, yun na yung, para sa akin, yun na yung success. Seeing the smiles on their faces.
Di ba, dami mo ng achievements. Kalahati pa rin yung taon. And you had a movie in nung January, tapos The Story of Us, tapos ito, A Date with Sian. So ano pa ba ang gusto mong ma-achieve this year?
Dami pa. Dami pa. Ulit-ulitin natin to iikutin nila from movies to concerts again, diba? But if you ask me, I want more projects. I want more venues to showcase my talent.
8 years na si Sian, and he has done 2 successful albums under Star Music. And more to come.
Hindi pa ako 8 years. 8 years na ba ako? Okay, next question. Next question. Sinabi mo pa kasi.
Our next question will come from John Michael Bueno of Kumagkawa.com.
Hi, Sian. I'm a fellow Uni warrior.
Uy!
So, first up, sa concert mong to, I've seen the literature and it indicated that you will actually play a lot of instruments. Ilan na ba ang kaya mong dalhin na mga instruments?
Well, dito wala pa tayong confirmed kung ilan talaga ang mapiplay ko kasi hindi ko pa masyadong I can't confirm how many I will play here. Pero are you asking how many
instruments
I can play? You know, last night we nag-feature ang Spotlight. Tama ba? Spotlight sa bahay ko. They looked at my collection ng instruments. I can play a couple. Pero if they ask me how yung talagang mga paborito ko talaga it's something as all. It's really, if I can pick 2, it's really the guitar and the piano. That's very close to my heart. Pero nandiyan na rin yung trombone, nandiyan na rin yung harmonica, kung ano nang dadalhin ko. Melodica. Just abangan niyo sa Spotlight. It's gonna be airing this Saturday. Yung collections.
But it is actually for sure that you will be playing an instrument on your show. Aside from that, Sian, people would probably want to know, since this is actually the title of your show, paano ba makipag-date si Sian din?
Paano nga ba? Okay,
what's like your ideal?
Okay, ideal date para sa akin, there's something about me and beaches. Mahilig ako sa beach. Just the feel of the beach makes me happy. So, kung ako, makakaset up ako ng isang date, I would take him to the beach, tapos magsiset up ako doon ng tables, candles, and yung over na siguro yung personal butler, pero mas sweet naman yung, di ba, may kayong sariling
Wine.
may baon kayo, di ba, tapos doon kayo mag-uusap, kasi feeling ko pag pabagsak na yung araw, doon ka mas nagiging sincere, doon ka mas nagiging honest. So I think yun ang ideal date para sa akin.
Since yung KSOU ninyo is usually seen on a beach, nangyari na ba to with
Hindi
With
siya
Kim.
nangyari sa TSOU,
Mhm.
pero nagawa na namin mag-dinner ni Kim sa beach. Yes.
When and where was this?
It was before sa Bohol.
Oh.
Sa Bohol, it was with her whole family.
Okay.
It was her whole pero it was really nice. May setup siya sa table and by the beach and may sunset. Lahat ng ingredients nandun.
We're in Bohol pala.
May resort sa Bohol nung sumama ako sa family vacation.
Okay. Magkakaroon din ba ng, because of course, dates don't usually just are romantic per se. Magkakaroon din ba ng medyo sexy na opportunity sa show mo?
Sexy.
Kasi you're gonna dance with Don.
Sige, yes. I'm not gonna call. Ayoko siya tawaging sexy. Oo nga, no? Sexy nga tawag doon. Hindi, nakakaya kasi parang feeling na, sexy performance yan. Pag sinabi ko sexy performance, baka ma-pressure ako. Hindi, expect sexy dance moves. But not too sexy.
Sexual.
Yeah, sensual.
Alright. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you, JM. Our next question will come from Dan Apollonia. Dan?
Hi, Sian. Congrats sa concert mo. Ask ko lang if, ano ba yung magiging highlights ng show mo?
Lukod na lang. Lukod na lang kayo. Ang hirap naman pag sinabi ko na baka naman.
Yung may bang kahit mini details na.
Okay. Aside from me performing on stage, wow. Expect na it's safe to say expect a really good lineup. Expect a really good lineup from my guests na rin. And syempre yung personal, yung mga songs na napili namin, talagang personally tinutukan talaga namin. Yung material and the way Direk Algo is going to be helping me, and the way everyone's just working together to make this concert work. Talaga, expect that. Now we're giving it our 100%.
Questions pa, mga kapamilya? Okay. Direct, please invite our friends from the press.
Oh, okay. Everyone, July 9, Zian, 8 p.m. sa Kia Theater. Saka thank you sa lahat ng I've always been thanking the fans on Twitter kasi I always tell Z, parang 24-hour shifts yata sila. I'm not kidding. I mean, it's great. I mean, in my Instagram, there are more pictures of Z and Lim than there are of me, or my family, or my dog, or anything. So, I mean, thank you for all the fans for promoting, filling in every one of the details. I mean, some of them are in London.
Right.
It's really awesome to see that. So I hope to see all of you, and what I can promise you is that you're gonna see Zian at his, the very core of this guy. And it's amazing because the first time he played, I've worked with him as a host, but when he started playing, I was like, musikero pala tong tao. You know what I mean?
Tapos singit ko lang, meron pa hindi pa for Philharmonic Orchestra might grace the event. So there's gonna be classical music also. So aside from
PPO.
Philharmonic Orchestra.
ABS-CBN Philharmonic Orchestra.
So yun, I mean, you're gonna see Zian as a musician. I mean, there was a question thinking about the highlight. I think that's the highlight. You're gonna see him play some good songs, some classic tunes, some new songs. You're gonna see him move, you're gonna see him play, and it's gonna be quite a revelation. Thank you.
Thank you, Direk. And see, the pre-drawn na kanina, nanalo siya ng Techno Marine watch. Congratulations to Joyce Jimenez. Pakiklaim na lang later. Congratulations.
May love life na agad.
Yeah. Dahil dyan, magsisensual dance kayo ni Sian. Love me like you do. Okay, see. Please invite our friends from the press.
Guys, maraming salamat to all the bloggers and all the press. Thank you for your support. Sa pelikula pa lang, nakikita-kita na tayo. You guys always give me a wonderful write-up from Nala over everything about her. Ibang klase yung support na binigay nyo. And sana magkita-kits tayo ngayong Saturday. That's next week, July 9. I promise you guys, I will give it my best. I will give it my 100% best para sa inyo po. And thank you in advance. Maraming salamat sa lahat.
Okay, thank you so much.